Hi. Hello. How are you today? Are you excited to read with me? Yeah? Okay. Today we're going to read You're My Little Sunshine. Yay! You're my little sunshine. Should we begin? Yeah? Okay. You're my little sunshine. You are my ray of light. With you, the world is golden. The future looks so bright. Hello, yellow sun. You're my little sweet pea. I'll keep you close forever. We're two snug peas in our pods. We'll always be together. Wow! You're my little cupcake. You're good enough to eat. Yummy! You see the cupcake? I'll sprinkle you with kisses. You're my sugar frosted treat. You're my little cutie pie. I've loved you from the start. Hello, little pie. You are so delicious, and your sweetness warms my heart. You're my little sleepy head. It's time to close your eyes, closing your eyes. I'll hold you tight, we'll snuggle up beneath the starry skies. Good night. Yay! We just read You're My Little Sunshine. That was fun. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.